She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear.
I bring me, get mine, bout mine, go hard, looking for another like me.
It is Miss JR, Miss Jessica Ruth, and we are back. I know you guys missed me. It's been, what, a week or so? Maybe 2. But as you can see, I changed up my hairstyle, and I'm also rocking my university. So, anyways, I'm going to teach you guys how to do your own puff. So let's jump into the video. These are the products that you will need for your puff to make it pop. We're going to start off with our Shea Moisture Styling Lotion to make sure that your hair is moisturized. I was clearly running out. It was none coming out, but I still put what I had back in my hair. Then I put the Mael Curl Mousse in my hair. You're really supposed to use it when your hair is wet, but since this is a quick 5-minute look, it was alright. So after you do that, you want to pick it out to give your hair some volume. Then you want to go in with your Shine and Jam. Now I use this at the perimeter of my hair because it makes it sleek and it's a very strong hold. So the main thing you want to do is to use something to tie it up that's elastic or spandex material so that you can really grab all of your hair, because I don't know, rubber bands just don't work for me. And then you just kind of shape it how you want to, depending on your head size. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part, your baby hair and edges. Now I like to use Shine and Jam right before I use Edge Booster because it's kind of like a sealant. So yeah, you just want to put it on and then make swoops with your brush.
How'd you do the thing? The way that you do it and she ain't even show.
How long has that been there? Oh my gosh. I know you guys love my puff or my pineapple, however you want to call it. It's rocking. Look at the hair. All natural too. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And be blessed, stay blessed, and keep blessing others.
Bout mine, go hard, looking for another like me.